welcome back to my channel. It's Hannah here. So I'm just kind of doing a small little like apartment haul. Also, if I sound kind of weird, I think I'm getting sick, but ignore that. Also, I literally just put concealer and powder on my face just to add the discoloration. So that's why I look like this. Plus, it's also 10 in the morning and I really didn't want to put makeup on my face. So that's a question that you were wondering. Why I looked like crap. That's why. So I'm just going to show you a few of the things that I got for my apartment. Like a few decor pieces and like pillows, and then some other things that I had gotten from people that are letting me use it. So
alright, here we go. We're going to get started.
okay, so there are a few things that I got from TjMaxx, the HomeGoods store, and At Home. I'm just going to start off more with like decor on a table. And I think you guys know what I'm about to show you because I feel like a lot of people have these fake plants and succulents and everything. So I got some because I really don't think I'd be able to take care of a real plant right now. So this was from TjMaxx. It was $4 when usually it's $6, so $2 off. And it's just these cute little fake plants. And I got two of them. So this one just has like a lighter wood. And then this one has like the darker wood. This one was also $4. They're different, but they're not that different. I'm going to try to zoom in so I can show you. Yeah. Also, don't mind if the autofocus is making noise because, you know, I have it on right now so I can show you my goods. That made no sense. And I don't want to show you my goods. So, the next thing that I got was... the autofocus is so loud. So loud! Okay, so the next thing I got was this little tin canned plant. Also fake again. And this one was $7 because it was bigger. And I really like this one. So I think what I'm going to do when I like decorate is put this one in the middle of the two of these ones because I think that'd look really cute. And I don't know if I want to put it in my windowsill or if I actually want to put it on my desk. But I guess you guys will find out in the next apartment tour that I do. Alright, so the next thing I got from TjMaxx was this trash can. Isn't it cute? Whoa. It's really big. And I was gonna paint it white, but then I was like, I think it would bring out the colors of the fake plants and also bring out the color in those paintings I made that I showed you guys in my last video. So I was like, might as well leave it green. I was just gonna have my dad paint it white. So this was $10. It has a little bit of rust on it, but I think that's just the look. You know what I mean? Vintage. So it's an actual little trash can. And the lid, it comes with a little lid. Isn't that cute? And the next thing, okay, so this technically isn't something that I bought, but I know when my sister watches this video, she's going to be like, that's my pillow. But I know she's not going to use it. So why would we leave it at my house where neither one of us will be living? I should just take it. So I'm going to. And it's just this toss pillow. Is it toss pillow or throw pillow? Because there's a throw blanket. And I know at home it said toss pillow. So we're going to call it a toss pillow. And it's just this like salmon-y pink color. And yeah. And I also bought a like a rosy pink throw blanket last time that I made a video. So I didn't show it, and I don't know if I actually showed it in my vlog, but you will see it when my room's done. Also, don't mind my hair. I really just like threw a scrunchie in it and called it good. So the next thing that has to do with beds that we actually purchased was this tailored bed skirt, and this was from JCPenney. I don't know if it's going to focus or not. Probably not. Okay, well, It's just plain white because my actual comforter is white. And this is for a full, so it should fit because I'm pretty sure I have a full. And I think this was $35 when originally it was like $50 because it was on sale. So it's still kind of expensive, but I needed one, so. And from HomeGoods, I got another throw blanket. Whoa, okay. It's just this gray one that I got for $17, and the pink one that you guys will eventually see I got for $15, I think. So, I mean, technically you don't need 2 throw blankets, but I felt like I really wanted some gray in my room. So I was like, maybe if I get this throw blanket, I'm just going to turn off this autofocus, by the way, because it's really starting to turn my gears. So we're going to turn it off. We waited until it was focused on my face to turn it off, so hopefully focused. Anyway, I thought it'd be better to have a gray blanket since I ended up having a great pillow to have those match along with these pink accented toss pillows for my pink throw blanket. So this one is just like has no like tassels or anything. My pink one does, and I will show you guys that one later. But yeah, it's from HomeGoods. So if you're ever looking for any decently priced throw blankets that feel very soft and thick, definitely recommend HomeGoods. So my eyebrow was itching. Gonna put that over there. Next thing I'm going to show you guys are these 2 toss pillows that I actually bought and did not take from my sister. And these will help with the accents in my room. They're kind of stuck in the bag, so give me a second. So the first one that I got was this soft, it's white on the back, so like if I ever really wanted to switch it to white, I could. But I mainly got it for the pink colors so that these 2 would match each other and would match my throw blanket. Even though I think the pink might be an offset, might be a little bit darker than this one. Technically the pink color is not on this one, but it will look good, trust me. Just me. And this was $10 from At Home. Ooh, we're gonna throw that back over there. And then the second pillow I got from there was just this plain gray one for $10 as well. And I think this will help with the gray throw blanket. Decorating is a lot of work, but it's also a lot of fun. Once everything's put together and you're just like laying in your bed, you're like, looks so cute. But it's also a lot of money. Yeah, so it's a lot of money, and you know how everyone struggles with money sometimes, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I'm just gonna put these two back in this bag so they don't get dirty. So the last few things I'm going to show you are not bought, but are borrowed, I guess. So Maddie, you guys all know who Maddie is. She had these things from her dorm room last year, and since she had moved and she's going to a different school this year, she's not needing them. And I needed a white lamp. I had one that looked like the green. Looked like this color green, but it was way lighter and it just kind of looked weird. And I was like, I don't really want that in my room. So I got this white one for Maddie. And I was either going to buy one, and she's like, I have one if you want it. So I'm taking it. Thanks, Maddie. You're a pal. And it's literally the one I wanted because you can bend it. It has this cute little base where I can like put a few rings in it, and you guys are just gonna be so proud when you see it all put together, unless my imagination's way too out of hand. So the next thing that she decided to let me have was this like little storage basket. I'm gonna try to fix these little tassels for you so it looks more pleasing to the eye. So it's this little storage bin, and it has these little tassels on the side, just, you know, casual, and it has these little rope handles, which I think will be really cute. I'm probably going to put like towels in this in the bathroom or put it underneath my desk with like some blankets and stuff in it. So we will see what happens with that, but it's definitely going to be used. And the last thing that she's letting us use, which I'm probably going to put in Hannah, Taylor, and my laundry room. And it's just this clear little laundry basket thing. Yeah. And I don't really know what this is. It was in here. Maddie, you're going to have to tell me what this is because I don't really know. Maybe it's for like towels, like hand towels, washcloths. Alright, well, I would show you a few more things, but it's already packed up and I'm moving most of this all down on Friday. I'm not sure when this video will be up, but when it is, this will probably all be put away. I'm going to show you guys this, but like, look at that. Also, don't be afraid. But my senior picture that's hanging up there, I didn't know where to put it, and if I'm not going to be in this room, I wanted my parents to feel like I was still home. So yeah, I just literally have all these boxes and everything put together. There's so many more things that you guys are going to see in my apartment tour. I'm not for sure if it will be the official apartment tour to see everything, or if I'll just video me putting things together on Friday. But stay tuned for that, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that little bell to be notified anytime I
Post a new video.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Oh, I'm so weird. Oh. Hello. Oh. Snapchat. I literally, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Tyler, you Snapchatted me if you're watching this. Blooper. Huh. Snapchat you back, man. Whoa, okay. Oh, we are struggling. How did I get these in here in the first place? Eve! Alright. What's going on? What? Why did I take these out of the bag? Because I wanted to show you guys. Okay, that's as good as it's going to get. We're tossing that over there. Anyway. So I post a new video.